Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive hereby data from Phil Employ Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am. I can understand and I can speak also.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am. I don't have.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Why do you want to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go in Singapore, Hong Kong, or maybe go back in Middle East, knowing that Malaysia got lower salary than any other countries?
I choose Malaysia, ma'am, as because I want to experience also to work in Malaysia.
Okay, so can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Uh, my name is Fe Hamero and I am 31-year-old. I am ex-abroad and my last job is in Bahrain. I worked there as a domestic helper for almost 4 years. And I am single. I have no children.
Okay. So I need to know some few more details from you, Faye. When is your birthday?
My birthday is on March 23, 1993.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is I am 5 flat and 45 kilogram.
What is your religion?
I am a Catholic.
Okay, what about your educational background?
I am graduated college, ma'am.
College.
Vocational
What
course. Yes, ma'am.
vocational course for 2 years, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
What course?
Information technology.
Information technology. Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have one brother and I have one sister also, ma'am.
What is your rank in your family?
I am the second child.
What about your parents' occupation? How old is your mother? How old is your father? And what is their occupation?
My mother occupation, ma'am, is a farmer and I don't have father. My mother is not married.
Okay. So, Faye, you know the rules and regulations working here in Malaysia. Usage of mobile handphone and rest day. Are you aware of it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, if you are not aware, I would like to let you know that you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But you can hold it during night time only, like 2 to 3 hours to contact your family back in the Philippines. After that, you will render your phone to your employer. During your rest day, you are not allowed to go out, but you will going to stay inside the employer's house. But if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we don't want to force people to come here. We just wanted to let you know if you are disagree or you agree. If you disagree, it's okay. We don't force, but if you agree, then you can come. We just wanted to make it clarify to you once you reach here in Malaysia to lessen the problem later. We don't want that you will going to demand us about all these things, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Please be reminded also that you have a 2 years contract signed. You are not allowed to go back home in the Philippines like if there is any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, okay?
Yes, ma'am. I understand.
If you break your contract, you know what will be the consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You are the one who wanted to come here because you wanted to sustain or you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to earn because for your goals, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in your data, as you mentioned a while ago also, that you have a working experience in Bahrain for almost 4 years, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Way back 2019 to 2023. Can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment there in Bahrain?
My previous responsibility there in Bahrain, ma'am, is I am a nanny of two boys, and at the same time, I am a household worker also. Uh, in the morning, I prepare the food for the kids because they will go to school, and after I send them to school together with the driver. After go back to the house and clean the house, wash the laundry, uh,
Okay.
iron the clothes like that, ma'am. And
Okay.
then
Okay. So how old are those children that you take care?
the eldest ma'am is 3 year old, and the youngest is 7 year old.
Okay. So what happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines, and did it renew your contract to your previous employment in Bahrain?
Um, I decided to go home, ma'am, here in the Philippines because I want to rest a little bit, and after uh, I decided also to try another country to work, ma'am.
Okay. So being a domestic helper, you already got experience, right? It is very tough. So
Yes, ma'am.
normally, you need to, are you prepared for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I am ready.
So you need to be flexible, okay? Because there is no such a thing that you will just focus on one job only, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so homesickness frequently attack us even like how many years we work abroad, correct? So normally, how do you fight your homesickness once it strikes you?
Um, I just in my rest time I just contact them, talk to them a little bit, and also pray. That's it, ma'am.
Okay, so are you okay to take care? I mean, what is your special skills?
Um, my special skills in work, ma'am. You mean in
Yes,
work?
yes.
Yeah. I can do the cleaning, the washing, the ironing the clothes, and take
Okay.
care of baby, a kid.
So are you okay to take your children while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your baby?
Yes, ma'am. I can.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
A little bit only, ma'am.
Okay, what variety of cuisine you can prepare then?
Only simple dishes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook Arabic foods?
And no, ma'am.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you okay to take your pets?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Are
okay.
you okay? So are you not afraid of any dogs or any pets?
No, ma'am.
No what? Okay. So, I would like to let you know that once you reach here in Malaysia, please respect the employer, respect the rules and regulations, okay? Always have
Yes,
a good attitude in your heart once you reach here in Malaysia because we are not the boss here, okay? We are a foreigner.
ma'am.
So we need to adjust ourselves and don't let employer adjust themselves, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Global Ace Agency will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day.
Okay, thank you also, ma'am.
Bye.